Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Apple ID phone number cannot be used at this time error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first step is to check that Apple system status is up. So to ensure that, make sure you go to this link right here and it should show you the status of Apple. So as you can see, everything is operating normally, so make sure you do that. And then the second step is to verify your phone number. The third is to update your iOS or Mac OS device. So just check that your iPhone is up to date like this. Mine isn't. I could update it right now, but I'm not gonna do it. But try doing it, it might fix your problem. Then try removing and re-adding your phone number. If all of these steps don't work, you can go to the Apple App Store, search for Apple Support here, and go to this application, download it and contact Apple Support and tell them about your issue A to Z, and they should fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.